Monday Madness this week is all about garden swirls. Let me show you what we have. Actually, some things that are exclusive to us. And let me see, I'm going to start with the papers because this is a 12 by 12 paper collection where you have 24 pieces of a cardstock that are printed double side. It's called floral pattern, and we'll get to the garden swirls in just a second. But what you're going to get is just a variety of patterns. So you can see, I put all the blues together. So there are florals, there are some dots, as you can see. Just a really interesting, lovely collection of heavyweight cardstock. So you can see those. You're going to get 2 of every single one. There are also more flowers. You can see all over that they'll match, they'll coordinate. You can put cardstock with them. Just really, really nice. And it just keeps going. It just keeps going. Okay. Now, to coordinate with these, we've also added some specialty paper. So let me show you these. And you get 2 suede. I don't think we've ever done this before. We've got the navy suede and the burgundy. We also have 2 of the foils, so in teal and in the hot pink. So those are going to be good to coordinate. You can kind of see what's going on there as I just lay them on top of the papers. And then the swirls, you're asking what happened to the garden swirls? Well, our garden window cutting die is going to be part of this kit. And you can see that you get the window, you get the shutters, you get the little flower box in front of it, and the swirls. Finally, the swirls and flourishes. These are the foiled fancies. Aren't they gorgeous? There are 32 in this package. And of course, you're going to get ideas on the back of it for executing those. And you can ink them, you can sand them. They are just wonderful. And what might you do with all of this? Well, here is a project. Coordinating our papers and our foiled fancies and our cutting die and the specialty paper. What do you think about that? Very, very nice. This is just a really wonderful assortment of some very special items with those cutting die, with the 24 12 by 12 papers, along with the specialty papers, and of course the foiled fancies. You just can't go wrong with that. This has a retail value of $47, but today only, it's $19.99. Only $19.99. We do have limited quantities, so I don't want you to miss out.